Hello everybody, Bryce here with Force Turbos. Wanted to talk to you today about our RZR XP Pro and our RZR XPT pre-airbox high flow intakes. These parts solve a lot of problems that have been showing up with the factory counterparts and are must-haves for every high-performance RZR XPT and XP Pro build. The factory rubber pre-airbox intake tube can collapse under high suction and high temperatures. Our aluminum-built pre-airbox high flow intake eliminates this problem by using 3-inch polished aluminum mandrel bends and 4-ply silicone fitting. We tested this at over 25 psi, and we know that these products will last. Now you won't have to worry anymore about volume problems when adding horsepower to your RZR. The XPT intake fits the 2016 through 2020 RZR XPT and XPT Turbo S models, while the XP Pro intake fits the 2020 and 2021 RZR XP Pro. The best part about these intakes is that they are super quick and easy to install. If you'd like to learn more about these products, visit our website at forceturbos.com or give us a call at 801-807-8046. Thanks for watching.